Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and today we are going to be visiting Ryan in Crownland or Wilson's Run. Alright, so stay with us and please do remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so let's get into it right now. Oh wow.
You're quiet, sir.
Me focus on the black them.
Yeah, eat.
So guys, we have a donor who donated money to Ryan to buy blocks. A couple of weeks now we weren't able to come up and do that video, but we did make the purchase of the blocks and send them up. So you're looking at them right there, and just want to say enough respect and thank you so much to the donor. God bless you richly.
Up the hill we go.
Yeah, up the hill. Alright, so it's a long time we don't come to see Ryan, and I know some persons are asking about him and so on. So we have spoken with him and we have seen him, but you have not seen him. So
you're right, me not see him.
It's not you.
So yeah, look for me for them.
Looking at the camera. Wow. Do you remember this plant?
Which one?
This one here. This is it with me.
No, I don't know it. By name.
I don't know. I just remember it, and then they have them in purple too. I think it's the same thing. It's all over.
First, me see it.
You're young. You're young, that's why.
I'm young, I plant young. That's your look. Not even tall.
Short. Which way?
Straight ahead.
Why
which one I house you go?
No, up Ryan.
I'm going to walk here, so I go on this.
Why I can't take that steep part there?
Man, we can't sleep. Hubert. Say name, not wrong.
Yeah. Hubert Hewitt.
How you going?
Not good.
Yeah?
Oh Lord. This hill is tough.
Look like you're going not good fit. You're Ryan attack. Ryan, they're on phone.
Just give me a couple minutes to call him. Yeah, but she know man. She know man. It's been a while.
Yeah. And me soon tell you what me I go do. Me soon tell you.
Yeah. Ryan, walk on.
Every day, man.
Me soon tell you what me I go do to you. Me not do it for you, no, me I do it to you.
To me?
Yes. Me I go do it to you, but me soon tell you.
You're not ready yet.
Good morning.
Hi Ryan,
how you doing?
Andre and Sandrine.
Yeah, no. How did I say, if it's a God, no what?
We don't know him, Ja.
This thing was a John, you know?
Oh, Lord.
Go on.
How going, man?
This one hot yourself for me.
Yeah.
Acho, man.
Listen, it.
Acho, man. As me today, see on the hill.
Yeah.
When the sun ready for hot, when the breeze ready for blow up.
You said then call up here Breezy Hill.
Breezy hill.
Yeah. So I'm going.
Nice son. Son Gina take care of you, man.
Yeah, man. Damn thing. I take time. Damn thing, you know.
Yeah.
I just have to give thanks in life. You know how it thing gonna do.
The place look green again.
Yeah, place I come back to. Like as them said, I come back to reality, you know.
Oh boy.
Yeah, so things differently.
Things are good.
I will ask you that we come up here.
Yo.
Exactly. You think they go on knowing that come look for me, right? Yeah. Me hear your beat music, man. You find back the box?
Yeah, Satan.
Oh, it's not cold.
Not cold, but
It's a eat out piece.
yeah, man, it's a good piece. I hate my even know when guy with it, but I just say, you know. Such is life. Once you know good, my life.
That's true. Once there's life, there's hope.
Give thanks and praise, Mother and Father, man. Believe, man. Just give thanks today. I see you, you know. Yeah, man. As you can see, man, I just them thing I'm there. I go on pumpkin there.
Plant back your pumpkin.
Yeah, look at that.
Harbor.
Yeah, you see that take over all my pit. But me can't take out here again out of pit.
Oh, it's...
Yeah,
Pumpkin in there.
be a pumpkin a beer night.
Oh, yeah, me see it. You see it now, sir?
Good. Go pumpkin.
Oh, wow.
All the mango tree where me say for my virgin want give me one power side if we cut up it. And look for the pumpkin them pan.
And the chocha too.
You see chocha take you over same way. No. But I'm planting 3 days so now I get up back and but still I hear some that say probably maybe I hear some have to go put the Likkle, so me say.
Come like some first time people, you show us now your pint. See me?
Oh, so
yeah.
That's at the spot here.
And just do it at this spot right here. So.
Yes, so guys, persons have been donating. Well, we have one donor that I mentioned earlier who sent money to buy blocks around, and we bought them and we sent them up.
Yeah.
So that is why Ryan is now telling us that this is where you would put the house, the concrete house. Right, so remember that donor, I have to bless up Ryan because we never get to come and do that video.
Yeah, the black them did come, but they we never get to bless up we do only at that time. But you know time they see him we can bless him up.
So do it now.
Bless her up. You know. Yeah, I give thanks and praise, man. Yeah. Everything, you know. Take there. And this a ply house. Well, this time blew it done. Give thanks and praise with couple help Michelle, brother Marcel, and couple of my friend them it go back up. Yeah. So now we just want to continue from which part it there now, you know. Yeah, we just alright as you know as me tell you. Yeah, so I want to put the Likkle black house and thing, but me still I go use the pit same way.
Yeah.
I just throw the pumpkin them a run down in the height, but time goes by probably me just have to just.
If you put the house down there so you can't use the sapit.
They're too far.
Oh, it's too far.
Up the hill that you know.
Yeah, I forgot to get it down there, so.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I never put it right where this one is. Dig the foundation around it.
Around
this house.
Around this house.
Why never dig the foundation around it? But that the spot you have to put in.
Yeah, because I say through the whole heap of stone as you can see it. Yeah, I say just sit down and look at easy a way for dig a foundation where the guy them can come and probably me no want them come and them a dig a foundation and it take me one whole heap of time for dig, you know, else.
Oh, with the stone them.
Yeah, I'm down for dig, they no wanna go and balance it by myself. Some even when me come in or sometime.
And it look like it's hard for dig because you had to dig the pit around there so you couldn't dig it.
Couldn't dig,
Yeah, because change location,
yeah,
come over this side.
Yeah, some of this a place up here, so now some flat stone, them really flat. Yeah, and broad, so we just have a...
Man building house on the rock, you know.
Yeah. Yeah,
don't worry about your rock.
True.
Yeah.
Hey, but I can bust them still. But you know, it don't take me a little time for...
Yeah, you will do it, man.
Yeah,
you get it done.
It all get done.
So the boys are in school, Ryan?
Yeah, them a go school, them tell me now, say, the last month this for them lunch money done, so next month now, I still have to go, I have to go start from which part, I did they now, pay them lunch money and thing for school, so them say 1 month, they might give me 1 month because you know through this time they blow and everything and them did stop from school for a couple months, for a couple days. Yeah, so them just call it, say alright, them just give me this month to start back.
February.
Yeah.
Okay,
so,
okay.
Yeah, man, give thanks and praise, man. Them a go to school, man, and them a go good.
Yes.
No, you know, say, a thing come now where them cock, you know, if iron for go school now. Yeah, I love that. For me love a youth in a them uniform. For some used to go to school in a my uniform, even though I never go the best way I did want to go. But give thanks and praise me there see them where I could send my youth them now and thing and with fear no help.
Yeah. And God's help and the donors' help.
And the donor them
yes.
help. Oh my God, man. It's enjoy. God knows.
Hi.
It's enjoy.
Yeah, man.
It's enjoy.
How name, sir?
Daddy Marcel, full of joke.
Enjoy. You soon tell your own name, so.
Yeah. I see more and time fire heap and I can't burn if I pumpkin I go up on it.
Yeah, just wait until the pumpkin come in.
Till the pumpkin come in, not you?
Yeah. Ryan?
Yeah.
Likkle Ryan.
Oh, I'm yellow, if you can't tell them yellow there.
You know, if you forget that.
Paint out the house.
Yeah, me a paint out inside. Me start paint, but you know, a business sometime.
Yeah. You know, finish it.
You have to get Sanji in a paintbrush, man. Sanji in a brush.
Yeah, can I use the brush?
We can't spoil a paint.
Yeah, you can just dash it all over the wall.
Just put it on the wall.
Yeah, well, so no pass the black them, no carry them up yet, you know.
We notice. Yeah, we see
video
them.
Too.
Yeah, we video them.
If you bring them up.
Hey, no man, we can't carry them for me, man.
Every time I come up, you take up too.
Yeah, it's a blessing, man. Yeah, just the time out, we just want a little time for us. But you, we not start the foundation thing yet. Me know when my friend them come see them, where them will help me
carry up some.
Yeah. Even Likkle Naya. Yeah,
no, but that's just out Likkle Naya. Carry block.
I will give up him. Good. Him nah.
Yeah, alright, we carry them out.
Yeah, man, him good, man.
Okay.
Me and him we bring them up, man. Yeah, Rian and Angie, we carry one. By him, we hold one side.
Ryan hold one side.
Yeah. But sometimes this it's a man I know, you know. I always at him say, Daddy, me you carry one, you know? Yeah, you know
You can't carry one black.
You see him, I don't know him a come from school, he no go to school Friday, you know.
What happened to him?
I say last night I have to burn all in foot with some hot water.
He swell up?
Yeah, I don't know where him say him a come and he go knock him foot on one stone. And his foot just a swell.
What's your foot? Oh.
Yeah, some hot water I have to use for it last night. And that's why you see.
It hurts?
If you see it last night, you know, it's something different. That's some hot water with salt. I have to just boil up the salt in the water.
I'll make him soak it in there?
Yeah, no, I just could put his foot in there.
Oh.
Just throw a little cold water on your way and just use
Yeah.
rag. No,
You say it hurt.
So good funny.
Must it twist your ankle or something?
Me I feel like two point tap on the stone they know. It come like in foot go.
Twist your ankle.
Yeah.
Like in foot to a doctor. That day if you go. What do
Me
we?
just say me I watch it still. So if it a get worse for him, for me no
You can't walk on it. You walk on it?
Yeah.
But it hurt.
You have to bring him to a doctor and if you not look better by today's Saturday.
Yeah.
You have to wait till we are Monday.
By Monday me have to go bring him go try sort out your way.
So you ring it or what? Just flip over on the side when you walk.
Yeah.
You bounce it. Which part of it you lick?
And the bottom. So me just
Squeeze him.
yeah. So me feel like for like no me feel like a barefoot in my way come up
You
from
have any
school.
shoes? You have any shoes?
Yeah.
We say yes or no?
Yeah, they have on the shoulder.
You don't have any shoes.
So that means he foot slide off a stone then and he does get that little ring there. You know?
Yeah. And when them a go barber Ryan?
Tomorrow more.
With them barber there?
Over a big house over there. So.
Oh, no barber then here, that's why I no keep on here so you no can just run over.
I can trim them, you know, I just say shear, you know.
Then you want to cut, me can't cut it, you know?
You know, say that me shouldn't tell her.
Yeah, I can cut them here, man.
And I
Watch out.
charge
You're a
them.
barber.
Every
Week here I cut.
They must say we don't want that, they just tell.
Every week I'm here.
yeah, man, God do it.
Up on my head for trim on.
Red, I love it, red, I like it.
Say, I don't know the big barber in you.
If I ever send them up a weekend time, I can trim them.
Cut before they come home on Friday evening.
Aye.
I say if tomorrow I never saw them, send them up tomorrow, I can trim them.
You must.
Tomorrow I will send them over, youth over there, so no, I make him trim them for him. I always make trim them for me, him charge $1,000 for trim it to them.
Alright, me take 1,000 for trim it to them.
Then that thing just so where discount?
Yeah.
True.
No, I'm trim on a free, not you. Money, give me money for now. When I come back, me trim you.
Pay in advance.
Yeah.
Trim them and press them clothes, uniform for the school.
Yeah.
Do that, you know. You press uniform, man.
You know. I have to send in auntie me borrow iron from up there, so and get them clothes press.
Okay.
Borrow
And press them clothes.
So how often you borrow iron?
Like every time I'm close to get iron. And
Yeah,
thing.
go buy one iron.
Smell good. No, you don't smell that.
Yeah, go get your one iron.
Yeah, one iron. No one.
Yeah,
So you iron often.
you know.
Yeah.
I know we would never
Finish
done
the khaki.
neither, you know. But just because still but they get some ready-made khaki for them away and thing so
But they
them
never go.
them did have that about them I get
Ice cream back, huh?
no buy it no come up with ice cream a week time. I suppose they uncle.
They sell ice cream up here though. Like come sell ice cream up here.
The boss.
Oh,
You know
okay.
the boss pass.
Yeah.
The white bus. Oh, okay.
So if we buy like one box of ice cream and bring it come up here, we will get people to take it. Not just gonna give them ice cream
Yeah, man.
on Sunday.
Yeah, everybody will take ice cream. Eh?
Everybody, well, like that.
Yeah, that-
We want to carry some ice cream, come give them.
One Sunday.
They don't have to be. Yeah, maybe one time for a month.
Oh, okay.
You dance a picnic come out. Yeah, every week then they ask me Wednesday I come.
Then if you not ask me when we come,
You see him like how you see sun ask you every day.
Yeah, we see him.
Every see me. We have to tell them Zelly, I know a man where I agree, no. Zelly is a man where Michelle them have them work for done and
if we come up here at 12 o'clock in the night, in the day.
Like,
That night, man, to say me.
we just see him, man.
yeah.
I was there up on the hill, man. I see,
Yeah.
see it, you know.
You see it?
Yeah, you tell me where they me zoom in.
We up
Right up there, so.
on the hill and like a zinc place like
Yeah, I see it, man. See it way up in the bushes. So.
ah
Right up there.
Oh, I hit that. Him say mash up.
he was blood on man boy.
Right there, say there.
You find it. Find it, man.
The
Yeah,
market from where I come. I can put tarpaulin pan, but I can't see tarpaulin pan.
tree them and thing.
But I see building the roof.
I don't know, whole heap of tree blood no up in place, you know. Yeah, but the horse. Tree horse it kinda like a dead horse like for me what they did right there, so, you know.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, but they kinda roast and for me still.
Yeah.
But
Zoom more.
Mash up for sure.
yeah, it mash up man. Mash up, oh God man. If me the changa and for him man, for me mash up. Yeah?
One tree brought down in front of you.
Yeah.
Yeah, more about. Show me hand and shake.
Hey, you all are joking.
Alright, so Ryan,
Yeah.
we have some donations for you. So we have 2 donors at the moment. So one donor we met up with in Christiana, and she gave us lunch money for the boys. That should last them for a month. Right, so just hear you mention about February, so you're blessed and highly favored. So February.
No, he might go take care of February, we take care of March.
Alright, so you take care of February and we take care of March.
Yes.
Yes, because you did already make the commitment.
Yeah.
Alright, and so we have another donor, and she wanted us to give you, she sent money and she wanted us to give you some for your pocket money and some for groceries, and she want the remainder to go towards your housing project.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah, I really appreciate it.
Yes.
Really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
No. Want me can line out the house for you, tell me. I can line out the so. you start.
Yeah. If I could have dig foundation thing.
If you did line out, not true.
Yeah, but, you know, I just show me now money if you pay a man, then if you line out if I know, I charge them always charge you. But if I say I can't condition, man, nothing wrong, me can. I can't talk differently.
No, right now, me I say it.
Yeah.
Me can line out if you.
Yeah.
Nothing more.
Really appreciate
So you don't talk.
Daddy.
Nothing more. Argument done.
Really appreciate it. And you're the best somebody to fire. You know which part I can put it.
Where you can put the house?
Yeah.
You say you want
The best
it.
place.
You know, say you say you want it.
Yeah, but you don't say no, I don't move, but this is a pit.
You know what?
I don't move, you go move it because you're not going to use it.
Oh.
I dig one new one.
So I dig
Yes.
Oh, you're going to move
Yeah, see, so we have to go move it.
Yeah. When I stay there, so I dig one fresh one down there.
And dig one fresh one. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So for me never did one, just me could have pulled on this year.
No, you know,
but me
so
could
we
have
are
live in
when you pull down.
yeah, that's why me that Sanjin even this morning.
I put it back there so the first one did.
Yeah. And I just Sonny they tell me saying they don't put in.
Yeah.
So if you put it up there, so you can leave the pit right there.
Yeah, leave
You don't
the
have
pit.
to move it.
Yeah, you don't have to move the pit.
Oh, we don't have to go build back this all over again.
That's a what?
This.
Why?
But you're not
And we don't have to go take down this, put it back up there, so.
No.
Build a new one up there, so.
Oh.
You're not trouble this. You build up there, so.
Yeah. Yeah.
You understand now?
Yeah, man, understand now. Me
How you want to come
think
out front?
yeah, it better me than come up from Damn better me just come up front right, yes.
Oh boy. Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
All right. Final decision that.
Final decision?
Yeah.
I'm going to build right here.
So me done just cut it on Daddy Marcel come and just
Yeah, use the walker. I'm the walker.
you know say yeah no star from the storm come I am to tell her from how dear me can't remember to tell her when me call her and thing me think say when me turn on the walker now and me go out so I walker don't know and place with somebody I know me not even done the hard for him. Every school does a fly out, everything does a pop up. For me to know say storm shake up here.
Yes, but guess what now? You see them not there, them bolt there. You have to tighten them. So you use them because of vibration.
Yeah, slacken them. So I'm to it now.
Holy
Drop out and last.
drop out and just me I use the walker when me find out the pump the part the gas going. He hang down so. When me look on the bottom, no screw.
Slack up.
So you can't get screw and, and fix it back.
I guess. Maybe.
So me just say, me don't know if I buy me, I have to go buy back a screw them.
Them sell kit for them.
Sure.
Yeah, I'll get a kit.
Yeah.
With a screw.
I find an old one and take out the screw them one time. Or maybe you don't want no old funny.
No man, anything me get man fi build back your walker for.
I need to glow up it.
Me have about 4 yards right now. If you cut in, me have that one the round there, so you see
Therefore
round there.
use the
So.
machine.
Oh boy.
You know, say it's on hot.
I know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
especially up there.
Tell you.
Up a breezy hill. This hill is called Breezy Hill,
If
guys.
you have your solar up here, so you're not supposed to have no problem with sun.
I tell you, say a daylight this shine too. I just show now. Me didn't know and through current come now, me no bother.
Oh.
put in a house again.
So you light
Me
up
just
out here so night time.
He bright.
Yeah, man.
That TV sun.
Maybe a moon.
I come at night time and I look up and it's a blessing, man, I tell you.
So if you don't know, is put it up there so you light up the front here so.
So,
More closer to the back so you focus down here so we're there.
no, through some time they come up here at night time.
Oh, you want them to have the light to
When
walk
them a
out?
good on. This one I know now shine so far down
Just
there.
light up the front here so.
Yes,
Oh,
so you
okay.
just light up the front of down there so to the back part of them can go in at them little room and thing, you know.
Yeah.
It's a blessing, Brother Marcel and no.
No.
It's a blessing
man.
when you come in my life, you know. Yeah,
Yes, man, you're very welcome.
it's a blessing, man. Just
Yeah.
I plant them, all of them ground. I'm growing that this way, you know.
I don't say it always look.
It's flat now. See me, I put up back that the piece there, so now.
Oh,
Yeah, that I did the young piece, you know.
also you take up the sticks and so.
Yeah, and just put them up back home, I can put
Nice
them up.
poster there.
Yeah.
Are you a rooster, Ryan?
No, I feel call them over this.
Oh, then just walk up and
They
down.
just for true for them come over the blow down, they know them just take set up on me yard for true. Them say no me like them say me cook too much.
Then come for some.
At the time to feed them.
Those so them does Miss Vi no there. Miss Vi they are tone from after I Miss Vi 99-year-old now.
Wow.
Still strong same way.
But hard.
Still strong
One
same
find her
way.
if you talk to her.
Eh?
One find her if you talk to her.
Yeah, she there tone, if she there, they know, we don't know when she them will bring her back. For them, she want come back,
Okay.
but them know her really, you know.
I know a lot of folks
anytime
don't like leaving space.
Anytime she come back, yeah, man, she just want walk up and call me sometimes and me come dig up her ground for her.
Really?
So that's why them know her, she fi stay.
Oh, they want her to rest.
But she
Okay.
don't want them the thing then. But at the same time, you know, we still can hide things from we elder them, you know, for them used to. What them used to, you know, hide it from them for them we even go early.
Yeah.
Them fret.
They have to keep active.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so Ryan have a hot sun. But anyhow,
We have shade there too.
we are come for some of that shade. Alright guys, so just want to say thanks to everyone, all the donors. God bless you richly. Everybody who watches us, all our subscribers, all our viewers, God bless you richly. And until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye. Ta-ta.
Ta-ta.
Love you so much.
Yeah.
And we love them. You give them a view of the place.
Yeah.
Alright, I could say if we can see over Falmouth, which direction? This one?
That's so far more there.
You don't know where you're at.
I mean, I remember.
Here we are.
Yes.
So,
Now you come and that way the
So
Falmouth.
far more there. No. But
yeah,
them
I
walk, they
don't
go
come
quick
on me
step.
boat. Hey? You alright?
Falmouth section there.
Quick step. Falmouth. Acho.
With the rock there.
What cut you on your foot, Ryan? And what cut you? Stone?
Ryan, ever
Yes,
get
sir. Yes, sir.